Yeah, Rivera getting double team there.
And then win back. Kara doing, but like she just couldn't finish. And then Rivera back. Rivera, and she makes it. Kara.
Yes.
And she makes it. Siriana with the shot.
And it's good.
Win back. She makes it. Back to 15. Siriana.
Yeah. It's the month of February.
I went to February. I believe there is a.
Wow, great play. Especially Roger Williams. You don't want to play Roger Williams at the beginning. Wow. What a pass. And that's good. Anderson. And it's good. Wow, win big.